Between 1941-40, Dr. Porsche built many Volkswagen KTF Beetle prototype, like this pickup truck. It called Type 825. We based on FMS 12 scale wartime Beetle to build a realistic Volkswagen KTF pickup truck prototype. Maybe I will build 2, not 1, because I like it very much. Something very interesting is the rear body. The rear have some difference because the engine cover. This one I use twin cup motor because the original 1-liter engine not powerful enough to carry goods. Type 64 use a 40 horsepower engine based on Beetle 1.1 liter engine, and it will be 1.2 liter. The pickup truck rear under the cargo engine hood got many different type, as it is maybe 5, 6, 7, 10 built. After World War II, it also be a tractor to move the Beetle inside the manufacturer. And this is a narrow Cooper wagon type seat, exactly like this one, because the single cab pickup are very narrow inside. Even later, a van body. Ambulance van body. These rails are quite normal. They use a lot. It is exactly same as this one. This is a very interesting vehicle based on Cooper wagon chassis and the Beetle modified front cab, single cab, and you can see changing to neutral and changing to first gear. We're changing to second gear. Very high speed. Headlight, almost like the real. Front is a radial gear. Steering, exactly same as a real car. Changing gear here. Changing gear here. Neutral. Second gear for the high speed. Almost like the real car. First gear, neutral. Second gear. This one in Porsche workshop in 1940. It got a passenger car rear engine cover. I would like to keep one by myself. You can see during the war, Dr. Porsche workshop team still test their racing car Type 64. Here you can see an early Cooper wagon, a 4-wheel drive Cooper wagon.